everyone, it's Carol. How you doing? If you're new to my channel, welcome. And I would like to do a get ready with me today with this look. And it's pretty easy. I did do a little complicated, but it didn't have to be. I could have used just the one eyeshadow. I decided to switch to the purple to kind of go with the lips. And Natalie, the beauty diva, is uploading a video today also at the same time that I am. So make sure you check her out. And I will put all the links down below for all the products that I use. And I do hope that you enjoy it. Thank you for being here. And here we go. Sideways.
I purchased this after I saw it on Natalie, the Beauty Diva's channel. It might be a little dark for me, but it works. If I feel it's too dark, I'll use the NYX foundation mixer in white. But so far, I think the final outcome came out okay. This brush is so fabulous. If you haven't tried this brush, it's so great. The lipstick is so bold of a color, I'm going to put it on first and then determine the rest of my makeup after I see what it looks like on me. Now I'm just doing swatches. That's L'Oreal's Perennial Pink. That is the LA Colors Endless Summer. And this is Dose of Colors. Okay, I'm trying to determine which one I'm going to use as a liner. But this is the lip gloss by Laura Geller. Look how beautiful. I'm going to try the Enduring Berry by L'Oreal as a liner. I don't think it's quite dark enough though, but you'll see. You'll see what I changed it to. I do love this Harmony Lancome blush, bronzer, contour, everything all in one. It's all in one and it gives you a blur finish. It's really, really beautiful. And I think I found it for $19. I'll put that link below. So now I'm starting with the JACLYN Hill palette in a neutral shade on my hoods, and I quickly changed to Meet Matrimony by The Balm in a purplish color, kind of a mauvey color. I'm now using my toilet paper trick to clean my brush. You would think maybe I'm putting on more shadow. No, I am cleaning the brush after every swipe. Then I clean the brush and then I put it back clean and it takes off more shadow and then I wipe it again. So basically I'm just swirling it around. Just swirly, swirl, swirl. That's why I zoomed out so you could see the toilet paper. And then I am flattening the brush, going in an angle to put just a little bit underneath. We don't want a harsh line underneath because we have a bright lipstick, but I still have a lot of blending to do. Putting it closer to my lashes. Now I'm taking the Age Rewind in the light pale. I'm just going to put it under my brows, on the side of my eyes. And now I'm taking the medium, I believe, yeah, putting it under my eyes. I need to put more of a darker liner on this color lipstick. So I'm trying this pencil. I think it's a NYX.
Now, this will even out the whole face. You see that? I'm going to put an insert here of Natalie when she did it on her video. I was like, wow, that is a good example. I said, I'm going to use that in my video. So if you see how she looked after she put that on.
Oh, it's beautiful. Carol, you were right, as usual. This really does filter. Filters and blurs.
Oh, I have this too. SHOW ORCHID. This might be good. That's better. So it's this with SHOW ORCHID. Okay, that's good. So you see it can be used as a liner. Maybe this. Ooh. This is Laura Geller's Color Luster Lip Gloss in Amethyst Glaze. Ooh, I love it. Okay, now we have a black pencil. Now, if it's used the correct way, it will not make you look old. Now, with a bold lip, I try not to do top and bottom of my eyes. So watch this. Let's see. I'm going to go in a little triangle at the end, the same like I do with the lips. And then come very close to the lashes. You want the smoky effect on the top of the lashes. So a triangle at the corner, like when you lift your lips, and then close to your lashes the rest of the way. And put it in the tight line. Too Faced Bulletproof. I just want to bulletproof the tight line.
Okay, I'm getting bold and brave. I'm going into the bright purples.
So you see, this could really be a one eyeshadow look. You didn't have to do all those steps. Not at all. Right there. And right there. These sponges are great. They're 3 for $3 on Shein. I'll put the links. They're soft. They've got the 3 square sides, 3 flat sides. I think contour is best moved with your fingers on your nose. So let me see what else I can do here. This is my favorite highlighter. It's by e.l.f. and it doesn't show wrinkles. Okay, So if you want to put highlighter on your high cheeks, crow's feet, all that nonsense, this does not show wrinkles, and it's got 4 shades. Excellent. Okay, let's... I'm not as confident as those women that are going all gray. I wish I was. It would be so much easier. Now I'm going to put the Revlon Precision Glue, which I can't find online, but I found you another one. Just put that in on my tails. How does that look? Does that look better than before? I hope so. Okay, so this is what I do when I wear a dark, usually a dark lipstick, a predominant one. There's 2 ways. You could do your eyes regular like I always do, or you could do a very smoky eye with less liner. And if you don't close your eyes in, it will put the focus on your lips. It's just a very attractive way to do it. The L'Oreal Nude in medium. I think it's a little dark. That's why I have to brighten up. I think that's it. Try to give you a different color this time. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. So check Natalie the Beauty Divas video below. I will put the link for you, and I know you'll enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the colors and the application. And do you think my brows are too low? Okay, everybody. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you all so much, and I love you all.